Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to evaluate this integration by using the method of changing variables. Method of changing variables means we are going to replace the given variable by something else with a suitable argument with a suitable logic. In this case, let x equals to pi minus y such that dx equals to minus dy. Also, if x tends to 0, y tends to pi, and if x tends to pi, y tends to 0. So let's write the integration. We need to evaluate 0 to pi x sine x by 1 plus cos square x dx. Let's replace all these x's by y. At first, the range of integration, limits of integration, inverses, right? Because when x tends to 0, y tends to pi, and when x tends to pi, y tends to 0, and x should be written by as pi minus y sine pi minus y divided by 1 plus cos square pi minus y, and dx is minus dy. Now let's reverse these limits of integration with the help of this minus sign. Okay, that means it will be 0 to pi pi minus y sine 180 minus theta is sine theta divided by 1 plus cos 180 minus theta is minus cos theta, but here is square, so nothing changes, and dy, right? Now let's separate these two terms here. One will be 0 to pi sine y by 1 plus cos square y dy. The other is minus 0 to pi y sine y by 1 plus cos square y dy. Now let's see here. The given integration is in terms of x, right? Here we got the same integration in terms of y. So these are the dummy variables x and y's. If we assume the given integration to be I, right, then this integration is the same thing as previously given in the question. You can write this to be I as well. Now this will give us 2I equals to pi 0 to pi sine y dy can be written as d cos y minus by 1 plus cos square y. Let's check this. Minus d cos y is sine y dy or not. Derivative of cos is minus sine y, and then we are left with dy, and at initial position there is another minus sign. That means this is sine y dy, right? So this sine y dy can be expressed as minus d cos y, or 2I equals to pi 0 to pi. Now let's try this pi here, minus pi d cos y by 1 plus cos square y. Now this resembles some formula. If you remember, integration 1 plus x square is the formula of tan inverse x plus c, right? This is the formula. So same scenario is here. In place of x, we have cos y as a variable. So 2I equals to minus pi. This will be equal to tan inverse cos y 0 to pi, or 2I equals to minus pi tan inverse cos pi minus tan inverse cos 0, or 2I equals to minus pi tan inverse cos pi is minus 1, right, and cos 0 is 1, or 2I equals to minus pi tan inverse 1, tan inverse minus 1, right? Tan inverse minus 1 is, uh, we can say this to be minus pi by 4, right? So minus tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Tan inverse 1 is 45 degree, that is pi by 4. Tan inverse minus 1 means it is minus 45 degree. Okay? Or 2I equals to minus pi into minus pi by 2, or 2I equals to pi square by 2 and I equals to pi square by 4. That means integration 0 to pi x sin x pi 1 plus cos square x dx equals to pi square by 4. So this is the solution. I hope you understand these tips. If you have any confusion regarding this problem, please comment below. Thank you.